Hey guys, how you going? An exciting day for me today. I get to fire up the GSX for the first time since I pulled it all apart. So I have I've filled it up with oil and I've cranked it over with no fuel in it to make sure that the oil has come back up to the oil cooler and primed it. The motor has oil pressure, and now I've filled the carby bowls up, but I haven't put any fuel in the tank yet, and I've just finished putting all the tank fuel leads on, because there's 2 leads plus a vacuum lead. So I've put those on, but I've got enough fuel in the bowls, it should fire, so we're about to fire it. It'll probably start, these have 2 choke positions. They have a first stage, and then they have a second stage which really makes them rev hard. So I'll start it. It may sound like it's revving hard. Hopefully I'll start it. It may sound like it's revving a bit hard, and you probably see some smoke because it hasn't started, so paint and stuff will start to burn off if it runs long enough. Alright, so we'll have a look at it, we'll get into it and see if we can get her to fire up. Alright, so I'll spin around and show you. So there she is. So I can go back down for a minute. Put some power to it. Bring the back here. So I'll put it on first stage. Choke. Ignition's alive. And here we go. Okay, so that was the carby bowls running out of fuel. So that's how long a bike will run for. 4 minutes. Oh, probably 3 minutes. 3 minutes on carby bowls. You can see the smoke coming off it. Just probably a bit scary for some people, but they all do it when they're fresh. Even when you're first, like a brand new bike, when they first fire them up in the thing, they get a bit of smoke come off them. Just that by the time the customer comes and picks them up, they've done a few runs and they've had it hot, cold. They don't do it, so. But there you go, first time. Back in and first time run. These things take forever to warm up for some reason. Even then it wouldn't rev cleanly until it warms up. They always do it. But the next time I start it, I'll let it run for a bit longer, put some fuel in the tank, and we'll get it so I can come off choke properly. There's an adjustment underneath here So it's not even hot under there. There's an adjuster under there that I've got to twiddle so when it's on idle it'll pick it up. So we'll do that. But overall, very good. I don't know if I said it before, but I've got a new screen, or a repo screen coming from Perth. They sent me an email the other day saying that I won't get it before January now, or like before they come back to work after Christmas. So that's okay. I've got a few bits and pieces to go on with. So yeah, there we go. It starts and runs again. And everything that works on it. So if I turn the key back on, is that still connected? Yep. Well, that's the headlights. Indicator. Oh, sorry, I've disconnected those because I actually fitted them onto the bike. So I've got to plug them back in and wire them down. But everything on it worked. The tacho that I did the repair on, that's working. It was sitting there idling at 3.5 just then. Because the tacho on this doesn't start till 3, so I could tell that it was moving. But last night we put a tester on it and it moved, so I knew it was going to work. So there we are. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Bye.